Hey guys, today I would like to show you a plugin that I have been using on my master bus. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. I'm using Neold U17. It's a great compressor. I'll show you a quick way to enhance your master bus using this. So we'll set this first to, we're monitoring the program. As you can see, we're going to adjust our release a little bit to about 130 milliseconds, and we'll set our attack to about 6 milliseconds. We'll set our emphasis at 15%, 16% on the highs, and we'll set our frequency to 1.2K. Set the torque to 5%, and we're ready to listen to it. Here is before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.